Today I want to draw a colored penguin. Hello guys, please subscribe and stay with me. First we will draw the penguin's head. We will also draw a warm hat for him. Please subscribe. The penguin has a beautiful heart balloon in his hands. Now we will bold the lines. Please like and subscribe until we start painting. You can paint with any color you want. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.